I am Sam. I am here to meet some other young people that have gone through brain cancer, just to be amongst my people. You can make friends and have positive recreational activities. And there's been beautiful, inspiring stories from everyone. I don't know exactly what hope means to me, but I think it's more of a feeling, and you can feel it here.
I am an artist, I am a writer, I was an executive assistant, and then I was on disability. It's really hard to sum up the value of the conference. It's been priceless for me. Because on the outside of most of us, you wouldn't know that I'm standing here and that I've had brain cancer. So in this national conference, we're able to meet similar people in this same situation and form a community so that we're all realizing that we're not alone in this. And on top of that, to get to meet the researchers, and they need us too.
My name is Susan Kramer, and I am the founder of the American Brain Tumor Association, which I started looking for a cure for my daughter. We've been doing these conferences now for a long time, and they've become better every year. We learn more about what to do. Coming to one place, you have the doctor, you have neurosurgeons, you have clinicians, you have radiology people, you have people in all the areas that you might have to deal with. And they have sessions where they discuss how they're managing things, and you meet other people who are in the same boat so that you don't have to feel so alone in the world.
My name is Kristen Yum. I'm a neuroradiologist, so it's been really wonderful to give back to the families, the patients, and the caregivers, because this is all for them.
26 years ago, I took the stage playing piano, not knowing if I'd be alive the next day. They said I'd never graduate. They said I'd never play. They said I'd never have a life. But you know what? My kids started high school yesterday. We never know if we're going to be alive the next day, but you take the day, and you own the day, and you thank the day.